The question is 96 divided by, in brackets, 12 divided by 3, bracket close, multiplied by 2. Now, the solution. We know that. First, we'll solve the bracket. So now, 96 divided by 12 divided by 3, bracket close, multiplied by 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4, right? 96 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 now. First, we'll check from the left and give priority to division. Second priority is multiplication. So 96 divided by 4 multiplied by 2.
96 divided by 4 is?
24 times now. 24 into 2 equals 48. This is the right answer.